Infinix Zero 30 5G is the latest addition to Infinix's Zero lineup with a 50 megapixel front camera and a 108 megapixel primary rear camera with MediaTek's Dimensity 8020 SoC, and we got our hands on the device for some time. Hey everyone, my name is Ishan, this is Gadgets 360, and in this video we share our first look at the newly launched Infinix Zero 30 5G. So let's get started. Let's see what we get in the retail box. The smartphone comes in the usual Infinix packaging with the smartphone name and company branding on top. The smartphone comes with 256 GB of onboard storage with either 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM. Upon unboxing, we are greeted with the smartphone in this Rome green color option. It is available in fantasy purple and golden hour color options as well. Next, we have the SIM eject tool, a protective film, manuals and documentation, a transparent silicone case, a 68-watt charging brick, and lastly, a USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable. Coming to the smartphone, the Rome green color variant has a matte finished leather-like back panel with a chrome gold-colored camera cutout that sports the 3-camera setup, including a primary 108 megapixel camera, 13 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixel depth camera. The Infinix Zero 30 5G sports a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus 144Hz curved AMOLED display with a peak brightness level of 950 nits. The display also houses the 50 megapixel front camera in a hole punch cutout and an in-display fingerprint sensor. It comes equipped with a 5000 mAh battery that can charge using the provided 68-watt charger and is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8020 5G SoC. The device runs Infinix's XOS 13, which is based on Android 13. The smartphone retails at Rs 23,999 for the 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage option, and at Rs 24,999 for the 12 GB RAM and 256 GB of storage variant in India. Do let us know what you think of the Infinix Zero 30 5G in the comments. If you like this video, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgets 360 for all things tech. See you guys in the next one.